What if your next hotel stay wasn't just about comfort, but a doorway into the past? Across India, heritage properties stand as living museums. They were once royal homes, forts, and palaces, and are now welcoming travelers into their timeless charm. But what makes staying in a heritage property truly special? To find out, we spoke to someone who's an architect, heritage conservation specialist, and a professor at Manipal University, Neha Saxena. She doesn't just visit these places, she works to preserve them. And here's what she had to say.
These structures are not just remnants of the past, but they are invaluable records of our heritage. So they embody the cultural brilliance, the cultural narratives, traditions that define our identity. And if they are neglected, there's a high risk of deterioration. There are too sensitive modifications and even demolition that are erasing the vital connections to our history. Stories can be told, but until and unless there are certain evidences to back those stories, the connection is lost for the future generation, especially who have not been witnessing all these things as part of their routine life. So preserving these sites, it ensures that our future generations can experience and learn from them and appreciate the cultural and architectural legacy that we have.
But what happens when someone actually stays in one of these heritage properties? How does the architecture itself help a traveler understand the region's culture or its layered history?
Architecture in itself it plays a very crucial role in shaping how people identify themselves and how these places reflect the cultural values. They have certain historic narrative, they have their own local traditions. These buildings and these urban spaces, these create a visual and emotional connections to the heritage that fosters a sense of belonging with the community. So there's a lot of community involvement in that. And these traditional architectural elements like courtyards and the facades and the kind of ornamentation, they also have a very deep cultural meaning, reinforces the identity of the region. So when a visitor or a tourist is staying in a particular heritage property, so whatever they have come there with a little background about the place, they can actually feel it and observe it one on one. It's an hands-on experience, I would say. So basically helps them shape their experience and their collective memory of what they have learned in the past and what they have been observing right now. So these preserve these heritage structures. They also serve as landmarks. They anchor those communities to their past. When the architecture this represents the local culture and environment, it also enhances the community pride and the social cohesion. So that is how I think it would affect somebody who is visiting and staying in a heritage.
In a heritage property isn't just a stay, it's a story. It's a way to travel through time, to walk through corridors once filled with history, and to be a part of something larger than ourselves. And thanks to the efforts of people who care, like our guest Neha, these stories are not only being preserved, they are being lived. So, next time you travel, maybe skip the modern hotel, stay somewhere that tells a story.